Hello everyone, welcome in mathematics class, standard 4. Today's topic is operation with mathematics. Students, in mathematics, in the chapter of measurement, we can do add, subtract, multiplication and division. These all operations we can do with the measurement. In the previous chapter, we have learned the table how to convert different units into different parts. Now, today, we will start dividing measurement. In dividing measurement, we will divide different units separately. If there is a remainder in the first step, we convert it to the smaller unit and add to the number of the next step. So I'll explain it with the help of few examples. Our first example is find 272 centimeter 7 millimeter divide by 9. These are two different units. One is centimeter and the another one is millimeter. When we will divide it by 9, we will read the table first of all. The first number in the division is 2. That is smaller. The divisor is 9. So we will take first two numbers. That is 27. Now we will see the table of 9. We know that 9 threes are 27. And when we will subtract 27 from 27, we will get remainder 0. And now we will carry the next number, that is 2. When we will carry it down, we are having 2 centimeter. And now the next number is 7 millimeter. Students, we can't write the centimeter and millimeters together. We have to convert here centimeters into millimeters. We know that in this table I have shown that now we have 2 centimeter and 7 millimeter, and we know in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters are there. So 2 centimeters are equal to 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters plus 7 millimeters. Now we are having total 27 millimeters. Now we will divide these 27 millimeters by 9. And again, we know that 9 threes are 27. 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. Now the remainder is 0 and there is no next number is there. So our sum finish. So you learn from here that when we will divide 272 by 9 and 272 are centimeters and 7 are millimeters. Here we will convert the centimeters into millimeters and our answer is 30 centimeter and 3 millimeters. I hope you understand how we will convert the centimeters into millimeters, because in the table of the conversion we have learned that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So we will multiply the centimeters by 10 and we will get millimeters. Now next example is find 593 kilometer 280 meter divided by 16. So when we will divide it by 16, students, when we are dividing, the different units are there. We will mention the units on the top, like here I have written kilometer and meters. And kilometers we will write under the kilometers heading, and meters we will write towards the right side towards the heading of the meter. So 593 kilometers divided by 280 meters, divide it by 16. The divisor is 16. So 16 is, and we will see the first number, that is 5. 5 is smaller than 16. So we will consider 2 digits here. The 2 digits are 59. So now we will say the table of 16. We will write the number which is maybe equal to 59 or less than 59, but we will not write the number which is greater than 59. So 16 threes are 48. 59 minus 48 is equal to 11. So we will carry these 3 down because this 11 is smaller than 16. This number should be more than divisor. So now this number, when we will carry 3 down, it becomes 113. 113, now say the table of 16, we know that 16 sevens is 112. Now subtract 113 and 112, we will get 1. 1 is the remainder. And in the kilometer, there is no next number is there. So students, now is the step to convert these kilometers into meters. We know that in 1 kilometer, there are 1000 meters are there. So we will multiply 1 by 1000 and we will add 280 meters and we will get 1280. Now we will divide these meters by 16. 16 eights are 128. 128 minus 128 is equal to 0. And the next number is 0. We will carry it down. So now these are double 0 and 16 0 is 0. So meters are 80 and kilometers are 37. So when we will divide 593 kilometers, 280 meters by 16, we will get 37 kilometers and 80 meters. And here I have shown the conversion, 1 kilometer, 280 meter. When we will convert, it will become 1280 meters. Now the next example is, find 490 liters. 560 milliliters, divide by sign. When we will divide it by 7, we will see what question we will get. Here is the sum. 490 liters. On the top, I have mentioned the units, liters, milliliters. 490 liters, 560 milliliters. When we will divide it by 7, we know that 7 sevens are 49. 49 minus 49 is equal to 0. The next number we will carry down, that is also 0. So 70 is 0. So liters are 70. Now in the liters, there is no remainder is there. So we will not convert. We will divide 560 milliliters now. 7 eights are 56. 56 minus 56 is equal to 0. Now the next number we will carry down, that is 0. We are having 2 zeros. So 70, 0. The millimeters are 80. So when we will divide it, we will get the question 70 liters and 80 milliliters. Now come to the next example. The next example is, find 2501 kilogram, 28 grams, divided by 18. Look here. On the top, units are there, kilogram, gram. So the first number is 25 we will consider because 2 is smaller than 18. So 18 ones are 18. 25 minus 18 equals 7. We will carry the next number, that is 0, down and it becomes 70. Now we will divide 70 by 18. 18 threes are 54. So 70 minus 54 is equal to 16. 16 is smaller than 18. So carry the next number 1 down and it will become 161. 18 eights are 144. 161 minus 144 is equal to 17. Now students, this 17 is smaller than 18 and there is no digit towards kilogram. So now is the time to convert 17 kilograms into grams. We are having 17 kilogram and 28 grams. In 1 kilogram, there are 1000 grams are there. So 17 kilograms are equal to 17,000 grams and plus 28 grams already we are having. So total we are having 17,028 grams. Now we will divide it by 18. 18 nines are 162. Subtract it. 170 minus 162 is equal to 8. Next number carry down, that is 2. This now become 82. Now say the table of 18. 18 fours are 72. Now subtract it. 82 minus 72 equal 10. 10 is smaller than 18. Carry the next number, that is 8, down with 10 and it will become 108. Now say the table of 18. 18 6 are 108. Subtract both and we will get the remainder, that is 0. Now when we will divide it, we got the question 138 kilograms and 946 grams. In this way, we can convert kilograms into grams and divide it. The next one is find 947 meter, 65 centimeter divide by 11. Here is the sum. First number is 9. 9 is smaller than 11. So we will consider first two numbers, that is 94. 11 8s are 88. 11 9s are is 99. That is bigger number. We have to write either the same number or the smaller number. The smaller number is 88. Now subtract 94 minus 88. That is equal to 6. Now we will carry the next number 7 down and it will become 67. Now say the table of 11. 11 6 are 66. We will write 66. Now subtract 67 minus 66. The remainder is 1. Now there is no next number to carry from the meters. So it is the time to convert the meters into centimeters. Then only we can divide. And we know that in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters are there. So 100 plus 65 is equal to 165. Now we are having total 165 centimeters. We will divide it by 11. Take first two numbers only, that is 16. So we can divide it by 11. 11 ones are 11, which is smaller than 16. 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. The next number we will carry down, that is 5. And now we are having 55. Now say the table of 11. 11 5s are 55. So when we divide 947 meters, 65 centimeters by 11, we will get the answer, that is 86 meter and 15 centimeters. This is the way we can divide the meters and centimeters. Now is the time for assignment. The assignment is solve exercise 16D. We have conducted few sums of exercise 16D, but you have to complete the exercise 16D. Do it in your maths notebook. And the next work is solve sum number 11 from the review worksheet 4. That is on page number 137. This sum number 11 is also of division in the measurement. So you can do it. Thank you. Have a nice day.